Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and it is day 15 of my November Tag-A-Day series. Can you believe we're halfway through? Let's see what I created today. Use some baker's twine, some glossy accents, the Greeting Farm Gamer Couple. That's a super fun stamp set. I used the My Favorite Things Do It All gift tag, but I didn't use the gift card part. I just used the tag part. And then some fun paper from Scrappy Boy Stamps. I love games. And here is my fun tag for today. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sleepy. Got that baker's twine, those fun papers, and then that tag, and then the cute little girl. I'm super excited. I colored her hair. Normally I do all my coloring with Copics, but I got some Arteza Everblends, I don't know, a few years back in like skin tones and like hair tones, and I've never really used them. And they have the fine tip versus the brush tip, and I love the texture I got in her hair. And there you can see the glossy accents on her video game. I forgot my stamp as usual. Just cardstock, but there is my super cute and fun tag for day 15. I'm looking forward to trying out those markers a little bit more now that I can see the texture I can get in the hair with them. So that is what I have for you today, halfway through, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 16. Thanks so much for stopping by, and go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.